excited to introduce our newest wall pack, the WPFS Field Selectable Wall Pack. The WPFS wall pack is a traditional glass refractor wall pack with a highly durable die-cast aluminum front and back housing and shatterproof borosilicate glass lens. The WPFS hinge back housing is equipped with a preformed J-box blade with drill knockouts available for 3.5 and 4-inch junction boxes. Additionally, there are 4 surface conduit entry points at the top, sides, and back of housing. A thick foam gasket is provided to install on the wall during installation, preventing water ingress and helping achieve a UL wet location and IP65 rating. While the WPFS has a look and feel of a standard glass refractor wall pack, Halco's field selectable technology sets this product apart from the competition by providing a full range of wattage and CCT configurations. The WPFS low wattage fixture is wattage selectable between 30, 40, 50, and 60 watts, covering between 3600 and 7100 lumens. The WPFS high wattage fixture is wattage selectable between 70, 80, 90, and 100 watts, covering between 8,000 and 12,000 lumens. Each fixture also features a selectable color temperature switch that allows the installer to select between 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000 Kelvin. With the CCT and wattage selectability, this innovative wall pack can cover up to 24 lumen and color configurations in only 2 SKUs, allowing distributors to focus on their customers and not their inventory. For more information on the new ProLED Select WPFS Series, please visit our website at halcolighting.com or find us on social media.